Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today friends, I will be teaching you how to make Rasmalai. The ingredients are 2 liter full fat milk. You could also use 1.5. Milk powder, the best is Halib or Natco. I am using Natco. 2 disposable cups of milk powder and it's leveled. I have half cup of sugar, 2 medium eggs, 4 tablespoon level cooking oil, 1 teaspoon leveled baking powder, 5 green open cardamoms, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of pistachio and almonds. Add milk. Add 5 green open cardamoms. And sugar. And boil on flame medium to high. Cook until there's 1.5 liter left. Add milk powder. Add baking powder. Mix well. Add oil. Mix with your hand. Add egg. Make it like dough. I made my balls. Now I'm going to put this inside milk. Don't touch the balls. So our milk is thick. I added the nuts inside. Now I'm going to add the milk inside with the Rasmalai. Leave it in your fridge for 20 to 30 minutes so it can cool down and then enjoy. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.